Hey, we are Squp, led by a team of 6 members, and today we'll give you a brief intro on our app, Squp, which is an abbreviation for Sugarcane Quality Predictor. Sugarcane is one of the major industries in Australia. However, it is significantly affected by environmental factors. Weather influences crop growth and development, causing large inter-seasonal yield variability. In addition, spatial variability of soil properties interacting with weather causes spatial yield variability. As a result, yield forecasting represents an important tool for optimizing crop yield to farmers and to evaluate the crop area loan insurance contract to bankers.
A user can come to Squp Sugarcane Quality Predictor and easily click on the login button to log in. Once he logs in, he can see the focus area represented as a map image, and he can make a selection of any required region. For instance, let us select this particular region and click on the Analyze button to go further in the application. So once you click the Analyze button, the image gets snipped and gets ready for processing. The snipped image can be observed here on the left section, and the different colorations depict the different quality bands. The blue is the quality 1, which is the best quality, orange the quality 2, second best, and green quality 3, the third best quality. A time series of the sugarcane growth cycle classified by the bands can be seen being represented here. And in this interactive graph, you can make a range selection to focus on any particular area easily with the help of the range selector buttons. You can hover over the screen to see the values of each of the NDVI value of each quality band. The dashed lines over here represents the forecasted prediction for each quality band as well. Now the dashed line going above is the threshold, which basically indicates whenever the value of NDVI for any quality goes above the threshold, it implies that the crop is ready for harvest. So here we can see another estimate indicating the tons of sugarcane that can be harvested from each quality band and the corresponding CCS for the quality band. The numbers 121 tons per hectare, 119 tons per hectare, and 112 tons per hectare has been used for the yield calculation, and the CCS 15.5, 14.5 and 13.5 has been used for the potential earning estimation. So here in this area we can see that the quality 1 comprises 39.23% of the selected area, and it can generate a dollar value of $4,581 in the next harvest cycle, in a harvest cycle. And similarly, Q3 can generate 3,973. Q3 with a 22.92% share of the total composition can generate another $2,000. So the overall potential earning is $10,000. This can easily help a farmer or a banker to identify the potential earning of a selected farmland and make decisions regarding further investments or making loan estimations. Further, we can see the soil analysis conditions of the selected region. Here we can see for a depth of 0 to 5 cm how the carbon, phosphorus, nitrogen and water capacity values are present in the soil. For quality 1, 1.651% of carbon is present in the soil, and similarly 0.02% nitrogen and 13.8% water capacity. And on the other side we can see for the depth of 5 to 15 cm how the carbon, phosphorus, nitrogen and water capacity varies. Below we can also see the ideal values of carbon, phosphorus and nitrogen. So based on these ideal values, we can see that the current quality is in 1.6 ranges, whereas the ideal value is in 1.75 range for organic carbon, which kind of indicates that the soil could use a bit more of organic carbon. Similarly, the ideal conditions for the other quality bands are also specified. These values here are estimations, and the accurate value can only be obtained by doing a proper soil analysis. Further, in this application, we can do a what if analysis where we can check and see what if my Q2 is changing to Q1. For instance, instead of 39.23%, if I'm having 45% of my total area as Q1 and my Q2 is getting reduced, then how much is the dollar impact it is going to give me? So from this I can see that if I have 45% Q1 area, then I can generate $5,255 from that particular area, and the overall gain generated there is $673. This can help the farmer identify whether doing the investment to make the land more fertile will be feasible or not, and at the same time it can also help the banker identify whether providing a loan to a particular farmer for a particular farmland can be feasible by checking the potential earning capacity and taking the difference with the loan amount. So that is an overview of the application. Thank you.